That's crazy. Something's just not right there. How's it look? It's like that train up front is like on an angle. You hear that rough?
It looks.
What?
It looks like.
Weird. This is really loud and rough. It's like vibrating. Kind of like a footsie train. That's gonna be Mausolema terrible. No, something's weird about that, really. Oh, you guys hear it. I mean, you can hear it for yourselves.
I'm not sure. But
Comfortable?
What? I'm not sure, but I think Batman might be stuck.
Batman?
It might be. I'm not sure. I looked over and I saw it. I'm not sure.
I'm Batman. Oh, we'll see. Just follow along the train here with us, guys. See what that noise is. Oh, and Batman is stuck?
It's right there. See it?
No, yeah, it's right up at the top back there. Can't really see it from here, but yeah, Batman's stuck at the top. Maybe we'll see. I don't know, it's really rough. I mean, I like it rough, but wow.
Wait, where's Batman stuck?
On the lift hill back there, if you see.
Going down. It's going down.
There comes Goliath. Incoming.
Oh yeah. Coming over there.
Now see, if we didn't sit in the back of the train, we would have had a good view. Oh well. Well, the train's still a little rough like that. It's still rocky, but well, I think we're gonna make it. Cool. And now all is smooth.
Now it's all smooth again.